Presenting Bose new Quietcomfort Ultra Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds. The earbuds come in 6 color options as black, eclipse gray, midnight blue, smoke white, soapstone, and triple black. It has 2 different styles to choose from: Quietcomfort Ultra Earbuds and Quietcomfort Earbuds 2. The earbuds give up to 6 hours of listening time with up to 4 hours with immersive audio, and a 20-minute charge gives up to 2 hours of additional playtime. The CustomTune technology analyzes each ear and adapts sound so the active noise-cancelling earbuds offer a premium listening experience that's custom-tailored just for you. Swap between 9 soft ear tips and stability bands to find the perfect fit that feels snug and comfortable for those extra long listening sessions. The box contains Quietcomfort Ultra Earbuds Bose Fit Kit, charging case, USB-C cable, and safety sheet. The earbuds feature 3 listening modes like Quiet Mode, Aware Mode, and Immersion Mode. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.